Now look into the next question. The distributions of the continuous random variables x is range is -3 to 3. It is given by the PDF f of x is equals to 16 into 3 plus x the whole square with the limit -3 to -1 and 1 by 6 into 16 into 6 minus 2x square by the range -1 less than x less than equal to 1, and then 1 by 16 of 3 minus x the whole square with the range 1 minus 3. So question is, verify that the area under the curve is unity. What is that area under the curve? The area under the curve means you have to integrate from -3 to 3 f of x dx and find the area. So given this PDF is in the f of x form. So f of x, how will you find the area within the limit -3 to 3? That is, the range is given -3 to 3 f of x dx. You have to add all the areas, right? So here the range is first for f of x for the range -1 or 3 to -1. The f of x is 1 by 16 is 3 plus x the whole square, and the range -1 to 1 is 1 by 16 into 6 minus 2x square. So limit integral, change it for -3 to -1, -1 to 1, and then 1 to 3, right? It's corresponding f of x. Now you are going to do the integral part. Now what is the integral of x power n dx? How will you integrate? It is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, with the limit, if you have suppose 0 to 1, so you have to write the limit 0 to 1. That is, first you put the upper limit and then subtract with the lower limit. Is it not like that? You will do the x part alone. You have to put the upper limit and the lower limit and do the calculations. Here also same. Here you have -3 to -1, 1 by 6 into 3 plus x the whole square. So instead of x, you have x plus 3 the whole square. Then how will you write that power alone? You have to mark it as 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So it will becomes 3 plus x the whole cube by 3. Similarly, the last one, see, 3 minus x the whole square is there. That means 3 minus x the whole cube by -3. This x has minus sign, so that you have to write along. For plus, no problem. If you have minus, means that minus also you have to include when you integrate. So limit is 1 to 3. Now look into the next middle one, 6 minus 2x square. So you have to do separately. Integral of 6 minus, so these and all x along with 3 is added, the whole square is here. But see, to the second one, this square is only for x, 2x, right? Then you have to do for 6 also integral. So when you integrate 6, it becomes 6x. When you integrate 2x square minus 2x square, you will get minus 2x cube by 3. So totally you have the limits -1 to 1. So after integrating, you apply the upper limit and lower limit. So first thing is you have to integrate that f of x. After then, second step is you have to apply the lower limit and upper limit and do the subtraction. Now 1 by 16, 1 by 16, 1 by 16 is common. Take outside. So first part will be 3 plus x the whole cube by 3. So when you put that -1 in place of x, what you will get? 3 minus 1 the whole cube by 3. Then subtract with the lower limit. What is your lower limit? You have -3. So 3 minus 3 the whole cube by 3. This becomes 3 minus 2 is 2 cube by this second part. This 3 minus 3 is 0. So that's 8 by 3 minus 0. That is your first f of x integration. And your second f of x integration, you have 6x minus 2x cube by 3 with the limit -1 to 1. So apply the first limit. 6 into 1 is 6. Then 2x cube, x place you put 1. 1 cube is again 1, that is 2 by 3. 6 minus 2 by 3. Again when you put minus, lower limit, minus of 6 into -1 is -6. 2 into -1 the whole cube is -1. So you have minus of -2, that is plus 2 by 3. So -6 plus 2 by 3 is your lower limit. So when you do here, take the LCM. 6 minus 2 by 3 is 16 by 3. Minus 6 plus 2 by 3 is -16 by 3. So minus of minus, it becomes plus. So you'll get 16 plus 6 is 32. 32 by 3 will be your second integration. Similarly, the last integration, 3 minus x the whole square. So when you integrate 3 minus x the whole cube by -3. So apply the first limit. In place of x, apply 3. 3 minus 3 the whole cube by -3. Minus of lower limit. 3 minus 1. In place of x, you put this 1. 3 minus 1 the whole cube by -3. What is 3 minus 1? 2. 2 cube by Here minus minus becomes plus. So 2 cube by 3, which is 8 by 3. So this part is going to be 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So when you add all these things together, take 1 by 16 outside, you have 2 cube by 3, which is 8 by 3. Here also 2 cube by 3, which is 8 by 3. 16 plus 16, that is 32 by 3. That means the denominator is 16 into 3. When you take LCM here, 8 plus 32 plus 8, that is 48 by 48, which is 1. That is the area given under that curve is unity. Hence proved.